Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I wash and maintain my braids. This particular braid I have a twist in with the curly synthetic hair, so it's like a boho twist look that I have in right now, and I'm just going to show you guys how I wash my hair. So I go in with the Aussie Moist shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo to use. I use it on my natural hair as well, and as you guys can see, I mainly focus like on my scalp, around my edges and so on. Rub that in, and I'll just drag like the rest of the shampoo down the ends of the hair. And while I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, that will run down the braids. I don't really focus too much on rubbing the braids too much, because the curly hair that's on it will become tangled if you move it around too much. So I do not rub that part of my hair. I'll just like squeeze it out to get the water out of the hair, but I do not like rub it too much. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Aussie Moist conditioner, and I'm going to focus that on where my natural hair is mostly, and also focus on my edges. So I'm just adding the moisture to my hair with the conditioner, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse that from my hair, ensuring to get it out of my hair as much as possible, because I do not want any buildup on my braids. And this braid is actually 5 weeks old, so I had it in for a very long time, but it still looked really good. I kept this braid in for 6 weeks, so yeah, it held up pretty well, and it was not too frizzy. Even up to the point when I was taking it out, it did not look like it wanted to come out. So now I'm freshly out of the shower and my hair is clean. I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, and this is my favorite conditioner. This is from Cream of Nature, and it's the argan oil from Morocco, the one that you shake to activate. And I just spray that like all over my hair, mostly focusing like on my scalp where my natural hair is growing out. Now I'm just gonna go in with this repair my hair argan oil. I'm just going to apply that to my scalp and massage that in. Now I'm gonna go with this Venice hair oil. This is mostly like shea butter infused with all types of oil, like castor oil, jojoba oil, and so on. I'm just gonna use that to seal in the moisture on my hair, mostly focusing on where my new growth is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the curly hair that's in the braid, and I'm going with a lot of body hair wrap mousse, and I'm just going to put that on the braid to kind of like, tame it. Any frizz that's there, that will tame it down. And I spent a lot of time rubbing this into the braid, especially focusing on the curly parts, because I want the curly parts to be more defined and pop more. So I apply as much as I needed to the hair, and I would reapply more mousse if needed, and I'll just massage that or just rub that into the hair to make it look fresh and like it's just done. And also, as I'm applying the mousse to my hair, I ensure to detangle if I need to, like split up the curly parts from the braid, because this hairstyle is like high maintenance. But to be honest, the whole 6 weeks that I had this hair in, I only washed it once, and I only applied mousse to my hair 2 times. Right here I'm applying this curl moisturizing spray, and this is to help to define the curls more on my hair. Yeah, so during the whole period of having in this braid, the only other time that I like add mousse to my hair was a week after I did it, and then this is the second time that I'm doing this to the hair, like 5 weeks in after I like washed my hair for the first time, and now I'm adding back that mousse in, and look how pretty that is looking. The curls are so defined. I'm not lying, this is a synthetic hair, and it behaves as if it's like human hair, because once you add the mousse to it, the curls just pop. And probably because I didn't add too much like product to the hair, it wasn't weighed down or anything, and it did not tangle as much as I thought it would, like for synthetic hair. Like in the mornings, I'll just wake up and just separate my hair, and that's it. So I really love this hairstyle. I would try it again. Right here I'm showing this little part how my hair just slipped out and left a little bit. So I'm just using the shining jam to define the parts of my hair more, so that it can look fresh and nice. I'm not adding too much either, because I say I don't want my hair to be like too sticky looking or have too much buildup. All right, so now I'm just gonna go with the Eco Styler gel, and this is the argan oil Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna apply that to my edges and swoop-de-doop to my edges in the directions that I want, just to let this hairstyle come together. Just gonna like brush the front part forward, and I'm using my edge brush as well as a comb to style the hair, put it in the direction that I want. I didn't want anything too heavy on my edges. I mean, I just wash my hair, it feels so light and clean. I didn't want to put too much too much product in my hair, so I did not go in with like the edge wax. I just used Eco Gel because that is lighter to use. Now I'm just gonna finish off, and I'm going with the olive oil hairspray, and I'm just gonna use a lot of spray in here to help to hold down any frizz and flyaways, and add that also to the curly parts of the hair. And yeah, the hair was feeling clean, fresh. It was looking well moisturized. So I'm just showing you guys. Alright, so this is a finished product, you guys, looking really nice and refreshed. I hope you guys enjoy this content, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.